How are you? I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? What do you do for a living? I work as a manager at a multinational company. Where are you from? I'm originally from Russia, but currently, I live in America. What's your favorite hobby? I really enjoy with listening to song, it helps me relax and unwind. How was your day? It was good, thanks. Nothing out of the ordinary. How about yours? What's your favorite type of music? I like a variety of genres, but currently, I'm really into Michael Jackson. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 4 siblings. We are living together. What's your favorite food? I love cheeseburgers, it's always been a favorite of mine. Have you traveled anywhere recently? Yes, I recently visited Japan. It was a great experience. What do you like to do in your free time? In my free time, I enjoy listening to the music, whether it's reading, watching movies, or spending time outdoors.